Today we're going to make a red lentil and carrot soup, and this is what you need. 2 dessert spoons of sunflower oil, 4 ounces of red lentils, 12 ounces of carrots, and brown onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 4 oxo veg stock. And we're going to use 36 fluid ounce of water with it too. Okay, so we'll just get these prepared and then we'll get back to it. Okay. Right, we've chopped up a garlic quite fine. We've chopped up our onions as well and sliced our carrots and weighed out our lentils. What we're going to do first is get 2 dessert spoons of sunflower oil in the pan. Then you're going to put in your onion and your garlic. And we're going to sort of saute them for about 2 minutes. Then add your carrots. So get this going for you and then we'll come back to you in 2 minutes. Okay. We've had our onion and our garlic on for about 2 minutes and now we're going to throw in a carrot. And we're just going to do that for about 10 minutes. Lightly stir fry if you will. And then we'll get back to you. Okay. We've added on about 10 minutes, the carrots have gone cooked down a bit now. And now we're just going to add the red lentils that we've rinsed. If we can get them all out there. You never all come out at once, did you? That'll do. And now we're going to put a 4 stock in as well. Blend them up, get them down. And then we're going to add a 36 fluid ounce of water. Which we've already measured out. So I'm just going to put that in. You're a lentil fan, aren't you?
Yeah, I tend to be.
What we're going to do now is cook this on a simmer for about half an hour so that your lentils go soft and they'll expand. And then it's up to you if you blend it or if you don't. It's up to you as well if you put black pepper in or not, or put it in at the end when you're serving it. But we'll just cook this for half an hour and then we'll get back to you. Okay? It's on just over half an hour. My carrots are soft and the lentils have gone soft now. So what we're going to do now is just blend it up and serve it. But if you cut your carrots smaller, you could have it without blending, because you like them sort of chunky anyway, don't you?
Yeah, I don't mind it like that. It's good.
Okay, so we'll just put it out and we'll show you what it's like when it's out. Okay. Right, we've blended it, and this is how it is. And you know what I mean about the black pepper now, don't you? What did you think when you tried it without the pepper in?
It's perfectly okay without it.
But you're going to put
I might put a little bit in at the end.
Yeah. Okay. And that's it.
That's it.
Okay.